Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you are doing well. Today our topic how to make to-do list in Windows. It is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, to make your to-do list in Windows, you go on the search bar. When you go on the search bar, here you search Excel, open Excel. So when you open Excel, here you got the many options, but here you select the blank workbook. So when you do that, here you make your to-do list. So we make to-do list to remember our task. So here we add our task. So guys, here you see that my to-do list has been prepared. So just save your file here, and here you enter your name. Save. So guys, this is a very easy and effective method to create your to-do list in your Windows. And if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Fopic Tech Time. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.